In this video I'd just like to talk about some of the features that dadapp provides in the 3D private sharing when it comes to sharing files. And the first, and actually the simplest, is that you can drag any file either from within dadapp or from your desktop, whether that's a PC or a Mac. You can drag any file onto any friend and it will be sent to them. So there's no complicated web interfaces to be done, there's no moving to other directories, it's a simple drag and drop, and I think that's about as simple as you can make file sharing. But when you share a file with someone, are you forcing it upon them? Are you forcing them to take the file? And the answer with Dad is no. What you're doing is you're providing an offer. You're saying, here, I'd like you to have these files. They then receive that information together with any rich metadata that may be part of that file, and they can say, yes, I'll have this one, and that one, and then they ask for it and your dad will then send them to it. So nice ways of doing things, because take for example at home, just very simple, my wife likes to see all of our photographs, so I do the work in bringing all of the disparate photographs our family takes into a single album, process them, do various editing and put them in a structured directory. So what I can do is I can share all of the photo files with my wife, and I can do that automatically, but it's not cluttering up her computer or her mobile with all of those files. What she sees is any rich information like album name or anything else I've put on them, but she sees a thumbnail, and so she can see all of them, always knows what's available, and then can select which ones she would like to receive from me on whichever computer she's using dadapp on, and she can be using several. So that's a second thing. We offer the file people can accept, and I've also talked about the rich data. The other nice thing is we don't limit you to 100 kilobyte picture, or we don't take a very big picture and compress it down. We allow you to share a file or files, whatever their size. So if you've got a 2 megabyte photo, you can send that. If you've got 10 2 megabyte photos, you can send that. If you've got a 50 megabyte video file, you can send that. There are no limitations in terms of the size of files. And remembering, all of this is with just drag and drop simplicity, whether it's for yourself amongst your computers, for you, whether it's at your home or your work and your world. So simple drag and drop sharing, any size file, a nice way of offering files and showing people the data without clogging them up and letting them choose which ones they want.